Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about Canva Facebook cover, how to make Canva Facebook cover. A Facebook cover is one of the first thing people notice when they visit your Facebook profile or page. So it's look professional and clearly represented your brand. Let's create one by step by step. Okay? In this lecture, you will learn how to create a Facebook cover, choose a correct dimensions, add an image and text, apply branding, create clean and professional layout. So click on Canva and now click on Create. And now social media platforms, Facebook and Facebook event cover. No, sorry. Facebook cover. Let it open. Now you can choose a blank design or you can choose a template. Always check Canva print recommended dimensions when creating social media graphics because platform specification can change. Step number 2 is choose a Canva background. So let's start with our background. We can choose solid color, gradient, images, texture, and Canva templates. So I will choose a solid color LED. Click on it. Now from here, I gonna change pink, blue, light pink. Light pink is looking good. And we can do more light. For the professional brand cover, I will choose screen clean background that matches our brand color. Okay. Yes, I will choose this color. This is looking good. Now, add your main image. Photo. Upload. Click on upload and choose your brand logo. Click on Bridge Remover. Background Remover is a Canva paid tool. If you want to buy Canva for a lifetime in just 2,000 rupees, so you can message me on my Instagram and I will surely gonna tell you further details. Okay. Now, click on Elements and see all. Here I have used this icon. So, click on it and adjust the size. Now, create group. Oh, sorry. Ungroup. And click it. A layer. Send to back. And okay. Now create a group. So, I will add a main logo here. Okay. Make sure to upload the high-quality image and the relevant image to your page. Don't place important part of your image too close to the edges. Like, don't you all place this. Place here. Okay. Canva will automatically show you. Okay. Now, step number 4 is add your main text. This is our brand logo. Okay. But my main text or main photo is Canva. So let me put aside and adjust the size like this. Okay. So put the main message, for example, for ZeeHaa by we can write line dot grow and dot create. So I can choose the template which is West. Double colors, okay? So I can erase this This one is best. And here I will write, yep, line and dot, not, no, wait. Line, dot, create, dot, grow. Okay? So let me adjust. Okay. Now I will change the color. I will choose blue, dark blue, and white. Or I can also choose, no, it's look this one, okay. Line, grow, and create. It's our main tags. So let me check where I have to place. Don't place too much close to edges. Learn, grow, and create. And here I also think I had to add colors in it. Like line, grow, and create white. No, white is looking too good. Or I can add this and click here and this is good. So, your cover should communicate what your page or brand is about in a few seconds. You can add branding. I will add ZeeHaa logo. Okay. You can also add brand colors and font. Keep your brand visible. Don't let it overlap. I think my brand should be here because my brand image is brand. And yes, now we can add a few shapes, lines, or icon to make the corners more attractive. But remember, less is more. A Facebook cover should look clean, professional rather than crowded. Okay? Let me add. I think I should remove this logo and increase this line going good. Okay? So add this. Learn, grow, and create. Okay. Now let it. I will choose this and flip horizontal and let me do short. Okay. Let it more short. Now I will click on it and create a duplicate. After getting a duplicate, flip vertical. I will place here. Now again duplicate. After creating a duplicate, I will do horizontally flip. Now create again duplicate. I will flip vertical. So you can see how I have created my edges. Learn, grow, and create. Okay. So I think this is looking somehow empty from this side. So let me make it some little bit clouding. Click on it and arrows. Learn, grow, and create in white color. Okay. So, like this. Okay. Here I have to add some icons. I can add. Click on it. I will add butter. I will search here blue. Things. I will see blue. I will add it. Like flower. Not this one. let me search. Wait. This type of things. Always move from edges. Layer, center back. Layer, center back. Okay? Now, this is done. And let me check if I have to add something more. No. I will add a sleepy cat. So I will change the color of the cat. Blue, light blue, pink. Yeah, this thing. Okay. So here I have created my Facebook cover. Step number 7 is check layout. Before downloading, let's check the completeness and make sure our text is readable. Yes. Important information is visible. Our images are properly aligned. Borders are clear. Nothing. Branding is clear. Not borders. Branding is clear. Nothing important is placed too close to the edges. Like I have placed border too close to the edges. Not. Important things. Common mistakes: add too much text, use very small fonts, too many colors, low quality image, overcrowded design, important text too close to edges, inconsistent branding. Okay? So, you have to practice. Now it's your turn. You have to practice. Create a Facebook cover from one of your D's personal brand, small business, YouTube or logo educational page. Include brand logo, relevant image, consistent color, professional layout. Share your finished design on Instagram by tagging me ZeeHaa Vibe. Okay. So don't forget about your free Canva master set to complete all 60 lecture and practice your tasks. Like and comment on every video, subscribe to ZeeHaa Vibe, and share your practical work on Instagram stories and post. Tag ZeeHaa Vibe so I can reshare your work. Complete the full course and practice task to eligible for free Canva certificate. So now we have created our insert Facebook post cover in Canva. So download and wait. Now our post is finally downloading. In the next lecture, we're gonna move to YouTube and learn how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't forget to follow ZeeHaa Vibe for more tutorials. I will see you next lecture. Happy designing. Allah Hafiz.